I'm loving all those pinks and reds together. When I had done the blow dryer, used the blow dryer, I wasn't terribly excited about what I had, which is why I tilted some of the paint off, because I wanted just a little bit more movement in it. And I was initially going to use dark red through to pale pink, but instead changed it over to neon pink and added a dash of black here and there as well. So that has been another successful paint pour for me. I've really enjoyed it, and I'm going to try that again sometime with greens. I want to try dark green through light green with black in it, possibly even a little bit of gold. Anyway, that is it for my video today. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.